Good morning, this is Greg at Richie Autos here in Daytona Beach. You just called in on the 2014 Ram 3500 dually. We have it right out front. I want to send you a quick video of it. It's in great shape. It is the heavy duty. Let's take a look inside. Inside is nice and clean. You have the big screen right there as well. It's the Laramie. Good miles on here. Low miles, definitely for the year. And back is very clean as well. You have the nice, elegant wood grain look of the running board. Tires and rims are in excellent condition. You have the big heavy-duty hits on the back. Tow package. You have the rear sonar sensors as well, and it is 4x4. I do not see any dinks and dings on here. It has a nice Cummins turbo diesel. That Cummins engine is very strong. Everybody knows about the Cummins. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call. My direct line is 386-236-5141. Our address here is 998 North Nova Road here in Daytona Beach, on the corner of Nova and 3rd. Stop in and see me. Just ask for Greg. Thanks for calling in. Happy holidays, folks. Bye now.